Are you interested in selling your product on Amazon? However, you have no idea how to list your product. If you are a new seller looking to increase your Amazon sale, you have come to the right place. Hello guys, my name is Dinesh and I am SEO executive at SEO Discovery. Listing product on Amazon is a process that may sound confusing. Amazon has two types of listing, existing listing and brand new listing. You can add products that are already listed on Amazon by other seller in the existing listing. But if you want to sell your brand or a generic product, you must list it on brand new listing. Let's get started with adding the existing Amazon listing. First of all, you have to add the assign of the product you want to list on. You can easily find the assign in the description of the existing product. Then in the Seller Central, go to add a product and search for the product you want to using the assign. Once you located the assign, select the items condition and click on sell this product. After clicking on sell this product, you will redirect to the pricing page. In this step, enter your selling price and click on the save and finish. That's it. Your product will be added to your Seller Central's manage inventory. If you have any question or are you stuck in any process, please leave a comment below. Now let's move to a create brand new Amazon listing. Step 1. Click on add a product in your Seller Central account. Step 2. Select your product category. Step 3. Enter your product detail such as name, brand name, product ID, description and so on. Once you fill all the information about your product, click on save and finish. That's it. Your product is now listed and you will receive a confirmation via email within 24 hours. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे ये स्टेप अमेजोन पर प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट करने के. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. इन दैट केस यू हैव एनी इश्यू विद एनी स्टेप, प्लीज कमेंट बिलो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज डू लाइक this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.